Hello, second grade. This is Module 4, Lesson 6, and our objective today is I can use manipulatives to represent the composition of 10 ones as 110 within 2 digits add-ins. So we are going to practice the say 10 way. So for example, if I say 46, you are going to say 4 tens 6. Okay, how about 57? How would you say the tens way? 5 tens 7. How about 78? 7 tens 8. How about 100? You would say 10 tens. How about 113? 11 tens 3. Alright, here's our application problem. Mr. Wally's class collected 26 cans from the recycling program. Then Asniv brings in 8 more cans. How many cans does the class have now? So go ahead and push pause and then push play when you're done solving this. First, you need to figure out if you're going to add or subtract and then solve. Okay, let's compare answers. So did you add or subtract here? Good, I hope you said add, because you need to add 8 more cans to the 36 cans that there already is. So 36 plus 8. So I set it up this way because it's just easier for me to see. And remember, we need to line up the ones and the tens. So first we're going to add the ones. So what is 6 plus 8? 14, right? So we put the 4 and the ones and we bring the 1 up to the tens. And then we add 3 plus 1 more is 4. So there are 44 cans now in the class. Alright, we are going to do some addition problems, and we want to try and do mental math with this. If we cannot use mental math, then we're going to use these discs here. So our first problem is 6 plus 8. So we need to put it on 6 discs. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how many more do we need to add? 8, right. Now let's think about this for a minute. When we fill up all these right here, we have 10 ones, what do we need to add to the tens? Right, we're going to add 110. And all of these go, because these bundle up to go to a 10. So remember that when we get 10 ones here. So let's see, we have 6. Now we need to count 8 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 10 tens now, so that goes to a 10, group of tens. So we had 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is 6 plus 8? We can look here. There's 1 tens and 4 ones. What does that make? 14. So 6 plus 8 is 14. Now let's do 30 plus 9. Now we can use mental math here because we can say, oh, well, here's 30 plus 9, and we add up the ones place. We know that's going to be a 9, and we bring down the 3, 39. So that's an easy mental math one. You can substitute the 0 here with the 9 ones. to make 39. Okay, so we can't really use mental math here, so let's try and use our discs. So let's put out 34 discs. So how many ones do we need? We need 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many 10s do we need? 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we need to add 17 more. So let's first add our 1s. So how many 1s do we need? 7 more 1s. So let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, we have a group of 10 here, so we need to take those and bundle them into a 10. So we had 6 1s, and let's add one more to make it 7. And now we need to add how many 10s? 1. So 34 plus 17 equals what? How many 10s and how many 1s? 51. Very good. Alright, now it is your turn. Go ahead and do your exit ticket. Try and do this and solve this with mental math. If not, you can use your disc that I'm going to pass out. When you're done with that, take a picture, send it to me, and good luck.